Aber Lillian, the Minister for Disaster and Relief Preparedness. Minister of Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees, Honorable Lillian Aber, is currently in Saudi Arabia engaging in discussions focused on enhancing the global response strategy for refugees. You need to remember Uganda hosts over 1.76 million refugees from South Sudan, DRC, Somalia, and so on. Now, Aber has expressed our feeling and gratitude to this development and appreciated AAcoli for this development of organizing this conference. Aber Lillian said, "I would like to express my gratitude to King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center together with the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, for organizing this very important conference on refugees responses. Indeed, bringing together all these important donors will provide a platform for commitments. However, there is need for a coordinated funding mechanism with more efforts on localization as we strive to enforce durable solutions. Uganda remains committed to our pledge as we hope to realize more responses to resources to bridge the decreasing funding gap from the global resource basket."
But also to bring to the attention of the delegates that we need more efforts into the durable solutions. And one of the key issues when we look at the durable solution is the voluntary repatriation. That has to be key on our agenda. But also more efforts on addressing the issues of instability in these different countries where we are getting refugees from. Not to mention quite a lot of issues, but just to point on the matter of coordination of resources. We've had pledges in the Global Refugee Forum, and some of the pledges have not yet been realized. We need a coordinated approach on the funding that we are putting together so that we do the right thing and also embracing the localization approach. That is really key. But localization has to go together with integration. Uganda remains committed into offering services and being a home to the refugees.
And also a number of people had to respond to this. Sandiji Julius reacted by saying, "We thank the said King Salman and all the Saudis for inviting and affording Uganda participation in that pro-refugees dialogue." As reported by Hajat Aber, may the deliberations bear fruit for refugees and host communities in equal measure. I think Sandiji Julius is meaning the kind of gown that Aber is wearing. Technical name I don't know, but these things that Islamic women put on their head, like the one of the Catholic nuns. Then a gentleman by the name Maliba Harith, Mr. Heme, said, "But our country should be protected more, especially by ensuring that refugees will receive the rightful people we are meant to receive." That is what he thinks. I think he doesn't believe that we are receiving the right ones, especially generally. And then Arinda Aber said, "Wow, this is so beautiful, Honorable. I'm so grateful to God for your hard efforts towards achieving a great nation. Though, Honorable, I've been trying to reach out to your office, but all efforts were turned down. Any possibility to see you in person for an important matter?" I think this is just a private thing. Olinga Simon P said, "Welcome back, Honorable Lillian, and thank you representing the nation at that event." And this is in Luganda. We don't read comments in local language when we are making reporting in a Chuli language. DHP, the Eagle and Lion said, "I hope you didn't wear the hijab by coercion." I think she wore by coercion. Mwikirize Arnold said, "Thank you, Minister Lillian, into bracket Hajat, for representing Uganda." Then Maliba Arith again repeated, "The dress code is 100%. So that is it. Aber is in Saudi Arabia doing her duties, doing what is mandated of her. Thank you.